Motherfucker. Idiot. You fucking.
How's it me?
Who pulled it?
Welcome to another episode. So we managed to get a quite complete turbo kit for the Golf Mk1 20 valve swap. It came with a wastegate, intercooler, turbo manifold, oil drain, even a catch can. Got the downpipe, the boost pipes, even has a side exit exhaust, which we will be converting to straight, and the ANI GT30 turbo. Enjoy today's episode. Some overnight parts from Japan. TRD. Before we get started, as you can see, everything just needs a bit of a clean. Just use some engine cleaner and some brushes, but whatever works for you. Decided to do the rear main seal just because we have access to it, and if there's ever a time to do it, now would be the easiest. Very straightforward. Just love a cool old strip bolt. Stripped one of the crank pulley bolts, an Allen key bolt. Was pretty crusty to begin with. Managed to call someone out, can't remember the name. After an intense battle, finally got the bolt out.
Now we may continue.
Nothing wrong with this, just freshen up.
Just because we have a clean one, so
Das purchase for the other motor.
plastic impeller that one.
Yeah. It's always safe just to replace it when you're doing a camber. Wanna go proper, go Heppo.
Heppo is also option, but I won't say this one is what.
It's fine, not hot.
This is a silicone spray. The brass just busy chatting.
What must I do?
This stud is a bit of a challenge to install, for me at least. I know in the past cameraman has stripped about 3 of these. Tried with the 2 nuts on the stud, didn't end well, but the way we did it this time around was just with a good old vice grip. If you know an easier way, please feel free to hit us up in the comments. Shorter. No, this is the wrong thing.
This is 17 there. There's it.
Shit. Don't do the best of us things. This is the new one. Let's get it on. You noticed when you do this tensioner, it does move the time in there. You can see your 2 white marks there on the actual gear compared to on the thing that are the more visible white marks. So when you do that, it does advance it slowly, slightly.
Let's keep an eye on it.
So yeah, let's see when this maintains. The top one now, okay. Advancing. Slight more advancement we need. So we went too far back maybe now. Not just too far back. Okay, move us on a touch forward. So yeah, that's it guys. We will lead you back up when we win. So yeah guys, that was the trick. On tension in this, it does advance it ever so slightly. So we're back to just turning the motor around.
Let's see if it's giving the tension.
How's the tension feeling?
Good.
Okay. And then both ways 90. Tension's feeling good.
It's tight. The plugs are still in, so there's still compression in the motor.
Approaching. Timing mark on top. Watch the top. Okay. Chuck the shield back on. See if our plan worked. Okay. So this time around, there we go. It's good. That's good. We managed to win. So yeah, the trick was to, when tension in this, just put this timing mark offset slightly. You'll play around with it and see the amount.
And another way to check.
But it's about a finger or so.
We didn't do the timing chain, but the side will also be set. So yeah. See, there's a thing, there's a key, there's an arrow, there's a key. And you counted 16 rollers, but we didn't do this. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16.